are going to be flipping the pancakes. It's little hard to do this, so I'm recording right now. It's a little hard to flip for me. Okay, that's almost done. Just one more to flip. I mean one more. Okay, now okay. Okay, now wait, don't stop. Okay, now let's see. Now just for 5 minutes we'll let it cool, and then it's ready. Okay, just 5 more minutes and it's ready. Okay, okay. Wait, let's off it. Let's off it. Okay, let's take this. This part's a little tricky. Okay, let's take this here. I know these will taste awesome. Wait, okay, let's do this now. I hope it didn't burn too much. Let's see this now. Ooh, that was a little messed up, but it's good. Okay, wait, it's not. Why is it not coming? Okay, it's come now. Wait, let's pull it. Wait. Okay, hold on. Wait, this one's hard to take. So let's take it. I'll take it. Let's take it now. The last. Now here are the final results, and we still have a lot more. We can still do like 2 more. Well, that's the end of the video. See you in the next one. There's actually 2 more videos of this. So this is the end of the video. Bye.